I'm gonna take my braces off myself. I'm way too eager to just take them off. This is really dumb for multiple reasons. I could damage my teeth, and also it's gonna be that much longer without a retainer. First step is to get some pliers and then clean them off. I mean, you don't have to clean them, but these are just like, I feel like really dirty, so I'm gonna clean them really quick. This is so sketchy, guys. All right. Point of no return. I broke one loose. All right, that's 2. I think that's 4. 5. Okay. I bent it out. Ow! It's poking me. I'm bleeding. Dude, I don't think that I recorded anything. Yikes. So my camera was acting up. I got the bottom bracket off except for this small wire right here. What you want to do is grab some dirty scissors that have been sitting in the bathroom for a long time. Dude, that worked, no way. Oh my God. They feel so slimy. That's so weird. All right, now it's time to get off the top. I think my camera's about to die. Might have to switch over to the iPhone. All right, so I'm back on my iPhone. My camera died. Pretty much, I need to snip the wire because this bracket right here is one that wraps around your tooth like a crown kinda, I don't know. And the bracket's built onto that metal crown piece. So I have to cut the wire in order to get this off. But luckily, I found the Snippy Boys. And I have a lisp right now. Dude, what if I just roll up to my orthodontist, having big issues with my braces, dog? I'm gonna clean off the Snippy Boys. My lisp, bro. What's up, girl? Snippy Boys are kind of clean-ish. Clean with the sweatshirt a little bit. I'm free! What the? Okay, hold up. What? Oh my God. I feel good. I'm gonna go get my brother's reaction. Look, bro.
I don't see it.
Huh?
I don't see anything.
Bro, what do you don't see anything?
You're not close enough.
Bro, are you blind? Look.
No braces.
No braces, bro. Took them off the bootleg way. Uh-huh. All right, well, I was expecting a little bit of a better reaction, but now I'm fucking disappointed. All right, let's get my dog's reaction, see what he thinks. Look, look. All right, no one cares, but yeah. I feel a lot better about my smile. Braces were definitely worth it. Next step is to go to my orthodontist appointment and surprise him. He's not gonna be happy. God damn. Aha. Aha. Check me out. Aha.